here off the LIE. Here we've got this car stuck here now. This has been such an issue. This intersection right up here has been a mess all night. So you take a look over here. People got off the LIE to try to avoid being on it, obviously because it's closed. But you can see they're now all stuck here in the parking lot. A lot of people are just kind of like hanging out. We've got parked cars all over the place. People really have just given up on this entire thing. I don't know where they've gone. There really is nowhere to go around here. Just an absolute mess. In fact, we're trying to figure out how we're going to get out of here tonight. So again, if you don't have to be on the road, just stay home. We're live in Holtsville, Long Island. Kristen Thorne, Channel 7 Eyewitness News.
All right, Kristen, thank you very much. Great work out there tonight. From Long Island, we head to Connecticut.
Jeff Gates and Danbury tonight. Jeff?
Yeah, we're at a gas station, and the sign on the pump says out of gas. That could be an issue tomorrow when people come out of their homes and the store dies down. But that 7th train is now running. Reporting live from Forest Hills, Jim Dolan, Channel 7 Eyewitness News.
Good news for those who ride the 7, a crucial link between Manhattan and Queens. Jim, thank you. We'll be right back with the final word.
The optimum triple play.